Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you just how easy it is to reheat your favourite chicken wings in the air fryer. We are using KFC's hot wings as an example, but you can use any, and we'll show you just how easy it is and how much crispiness can be added back to your chicken without it having that rubbery texture. As well as this, we have more than 1,000 kitchen gadget recipes over at RecipeThis.com. From air fryer recipes to instant pot recipes to slow cooker recipes to soup maker recipes, plus bread maker recipes and many others. I recommend you head over there to check it out after watching this video and find your perfect recipe. Okay, when it comes to reheating food, one thing I get asked a lot about is the food safety. Can you actually reheat this food in the air fryer? Is it going to give you food poisoning? And what you need to know before reheating? Well, the number one thing I would suggest that you consider is that when you buy food from an establishment such as McDonald's, Burger King, KFC and such like, has the food already been reheated when you purchased it? Because quite often during quiet times, food's left out and it's often needed to be reheated. If this is, say, a chicken burger, this will give you a higher chances of getting food poisoning because the chicken has already been reheated at McDonald's. So then when you reheat it again, it's past the rule of meat should only be reheated once. So that's something to bear in mind when you've bought fast food and you want to reheat it. So best to get the food from McDonald's during busy times when you know it's not being sat around for hours. Another thing to consider is how long the food's been left out from the point of you purchasing it to the point of when you're reheating it. As in, I would never recommend reheating rice that's been left out on a barbecue or at a potluck because it's more likely to be high in risk of food poisoning. So just be careful. And if in doubt and you do want to reheat food and that's your plan ahead of time, is to aim for vegetarian food over meat food. So these are the hot wings that we picked up from KFC last night. I ended up queuing and waiting for a good 20 minutes for them because they hardly had any left. And you know, they wanted to replace it with chicken, with proper fried chicken instead. And I'm like, no, I want to show people how to do hot wings. So these are the hot wings loaded in the air fryer. I think what they've done is they've given me more of the other things because that wasn't a traditional hot wing, so I've just taken that one out. And these are your classic hot wings and they're ready for air frying. I recommend a bit of a spray with some extra virgin olive oil because this will help crisp them back up again so you don't have that horrible microwave batter kind of texture to them. And then place the basket back in the air. So you want to set the temperature to 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and you want to do a cook time of 5 minutes. This is because these are thawed and not frozen, and you don't want to end up overcooking them and drying them out. So let's get our hot wings on. And we've beeped. And wow, it smells lovely in here from all these hot wings. And also this will work with any type of leftover chicken wings. It doesn't have to be hot wings. And then put a knife through it so that you can see if it's piping hot. And then touch the knife, that is red hot. And those hot wings are ready to be served and enjoyed. And this is one of the hot wings from KFC reheated. As you can see, it's your typical size wings, so just think you could replace this with any wings that you're personally cooking with. It doesn't have to be KFC. You know, I'm not going to take a bite into this because I'm one of these gay people that finds hot wings way too spicy. I much prefer barbecue sauce wings. So I'll be giving these wings to my son and just see if he can handle his spice today. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.